How to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi power saving mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In the Quick Settings panel, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on Connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the left-hand side panel. Then tap on the More button at the top. And then tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi. After that, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Wi-Fi Power Saving Mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn on power saving or switch off power saving for Wi-Fi. And here it says reduce the battery usage by analyzing Wi-Fi traffic patterns. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.